everyone, and welcome to another video of my cooking channel. And in this video, we are going to be making some pumpkin bars. And what we will need is 2 cups of flour, some white sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, some baking soda, and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin. Or if you want to use fresh pumpkin, then you can always use 2 cups of fresh pumpkin. And we will also need some cinnamon and 2 eggs. And with the eggs, we need to have them beaten up. And then with the egg, we are going to crack out the side like that. There's your big crack on here like that. And then we split it open like that. And then we can use this utensil or else a fork or a whisk to do this to it. And then, as a result, it should look something like that. Then we are going to pour the 2 cups of flour in. And then we will need 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And it should look like that. Then we're going to pour that in. How was that supposed to happen? Then we need 2 teaspoons of this ground cinnamon. And there's about 1 teaspoon right there. And we need another teaspoon. And there's another teaspoon. And then we are going to put the pumpkin in. And if you're using canned pumpkin, try to get as much pumpkin out of the can that you can. There. And then we are going to add the 2 beaten eggs. And then we will need 1 cup of vegetable oil. And it should look something like that. Then we are going to pour that in. And then we need to add 1 teaspoon of this baking soda. And then we are going to mix all that together until it's as mixed up as good as you can get it. Once it is all mixed up, it should look something like this. And if you want to, you can always add a little bit of pumpkin spice to it too. And then we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then we will need a baking dish. And then we are going to spray it with cooking spray. And then we are going to take this batter stuff and pour it into the baking dish. And try to get as much out of the bowl as you can. And then after that, we are going to get it leveled out as level as possible. Alright, and then for the frosting for these pumpkin bars, we will need 3 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 of a stick of softened butter, and then 1 teaspoon of milk, and then some cornstarch, if you want to add it for it to be the consistency that you want it to be at, and some vanilla, and some powdered sugar. And then we are going to put the butter in here and the 3 ounces of cream cheese. Then we will need 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, and if you want to, you can always add more. I'm just going to eyeball it. That looks good. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then we will also need 1 teaspoon of milk. You can use any type of milk that you want. It's a little bit much, but oh well. And then we're going to take the electrical beaters and mix that all up. Alright, and then when the frosting is done getting mixed up, it should look something like this. And then we are going to take this and then spread out to here as evenly as possible. But I recommend just like scooping it up and then in the rubber spatula and placing it on here like that. And then spreading it out. Then before spreading this out, I recommend waiting until it's like completely cooled down. And I know it's melting a little bit, but then it still felt kind of a little warm on the bottom too. But then after it gets spread out, you can always stick it into the fridge too to get it to firm up some. Alright, and then it should look like that. And then you can cut it up into however many pieces that you want it to be at.